Hi! Welcome to our series on cruising, where we will be sharing all the information about the different cruise port of calls all over the world. Today, we're exploring WuSongKou Cruise Terminal in Shanghai, a modern international gateway where many of the world's largest cruise ships dock. If your itinerary includes Shanghai, this guide will help you plan your day in port with ease. Let's get started. First, let's talk location. This is the most important thing to understand. The WuSongKou International Cruise Terminal is located in the Baoshan district, about 25 to 30 kilometers from the city center. Please check the description below for the full address and useful links. All ships will be docked at the WuSongKou International Cruise Terminal. However, this terminal is not on mainland, but accessible only via this bridge. There are several options on how to get in and out of the terminal that I'll be sharing next. So how do you bridge that gap? You have several great options. Option 1. The free shuttle plus metro. Here's your best budget-friendly tip. The terminal offers a complimentary shuttle bus directly to Baoshan Road Station on Metro Line 3. It's a free, efficient way to reach the subway network, which then connects you affordably to the entire city. Highly recommended for avoiding traffic. Option 2. Taxi or rideshare. For the most direct route, a taxi or rideshare app like TT is the easiest choice. The ride is metered. A trip to the Bund will likely cost between 150 to 250 RMB. Option 3. A private charter. For the ultimate convenience, consider shore excursions or private drivers for a personalized touring experience. The terminal itself is modern and well organized. You'll find all the essentials: currency exchange, ATMs, free Wi-Fi, and a very helpful tourist information desk. So you have made it downtown. Now what? Shanghai is a city of incredible contrasts, and you can experience the best of it even in a single day. Here are our top highlights you won't want to miss. Start your day at the Bund. This famous waterfront promenade offers the classic postcard view, where you can see the colonial architecture of old Shanghai on one side and the jaw-dropping futuristic skyline of Pudong on the other. From there, simply walk up Nanjing Road, one of the world's busiest shopping streets. It's an experience in itself. For a taste of old Shanghai, dive into the streets around Yuyuan Garden. This beautiful classical Ming Dynasty garden is an oasis of calm. The surrounding old city is a maze of markets, perfect for picking up souvenirs and trying local street food. Don't leave without trying a xiaolongbao. That's a Shanghai soup dumpling. Next, cross the river to Pudong via the metro and head up to an observation deck. We recommend the Shanghai Tower for the highest view, or the Jingmao Tower for a great value. The perspective is simply unreal. For a trendier vibe, wander through the tree-lined streets of the French Concession. Explore Xingtiandi's restored traditional houses, now home to excellent restaurants and bars. Do not miss the iconic Wukang Road for its historic architecture and chic boutiques. Perfect for a city walk experience. Before you go, here are our top pro tips for your day. Tip 1. Cash and apps. While credit cards do work in major stores, carry renminbi for markets and smaller vendors. Better yet, set up WeChat Pay or Alipay for seamless transactions everywhere. Tip 2. Focus your day. Our recommended classic combo: the Bund and Nanjing Road in the morning, then head to Pudong's skyscrapers and the Yu Garden in the afternoon. It's the perfect Shanghai sampler. Remember that complimentary shuttle bus? If your time in port is limited, the free shuttle bus can take you to Baoshan Power Mall for shopping and dining, or to the nearby SeaWorld Mall, perfect for experiencing local flavors without venturing far. Before we wrap up, there's one super important thing we need to cover: what you cannot bring ashore with you in China. Knowing this will save you from hefty fines and serious legal trouble at customs. As a general rule, you cannot bring the following off the ship: illicit drugs and medications, counterfeit goods, protected wildlife products, fresh fruits and meats. For the most current and complete list, always check the official customs website or with your cruise line before you disembark. If in doubt, self-declare the items at the customs and let the officer in charge advise you accordingly. Shanghai is a breathtaking, fast-paced and unforgettable destination. And now, you are equipped with all the key info to conquer the WuSongKou cruise terminal and make the most of your day in this incredible city. What's the first thing you're doing in Shanghai? Is it the dumplings or the skyscrapers? Let us know in the comments below. If this guide was helpful, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more cruise port guides from around the world. Until next time, happy travels!